The Airbus for us, A400, we are one of the, Malaysia is one of the nations outside the original 7 to actually sign contract for the purchase of 4 aircraft together with the logistics system and training. So we are really hoping for the aircraft to be introduced into the Royal Malaysian Air Force by January 2015. The French Air Force will be the first Air Force to be introduced this aircraft. And certainly Airbus A400 will be a real force multiplier to the Royal Malaysian Air Force in 3 major roles, which is actually tactical transport airlift, and the second is long-range strategic and logistic airlift, and of course the third is actually the air-to-air tanking, air-to-air tanker for our fighters.